So there are 3 new features that were released in July. The first one, which is something that I am just like, oh, I was so excited about, is the inventory turnover report, okay? So inventory turnover by item, all right? So just gonna pop into this report in one of my sample files that thinks it's 2028. You guys, I'm sure, are used to these sample files. And I do have an Excel spreadsheet in the slide deck where I'll show you the math of what I'm talking about here. But basically what we have, right, is we have an inventory part, they have the description, they have the category, which if you're not using categories, those are very powerful. We have the turnover ratio, the turnover days. We have this, turnover ratio and turnover days for all those CFOs out there and all the accounting people over there. I'm sure that they're very excited about that. And I do think that this is important to look at these things for sure. But they put the last sale date in here. That is a massive thing that we've been asking for so long, is what is the last sell date? So that is awesome. So you can go through and see like, oh, my last sell date is never, why do I have this product? Okay. They have the cost per unit, the sales price, coin on hand, the reorder points are in here, minimum and maximum. The cost of goods sold during this time frame. What is the closing stock amount and what is the opening stock amount? How many purchases? And what is the average inventory? Okay, so very cool report. But again, all of this stuff, I think it's something that people have been asking for years, and it's amazing that they built this report.